this is the September Look Fantastic box. This is You Are an Icon edit. Let's see exactly what's in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a little bit late, I'm a few days behind, but we have an unboxing and it is this. This is the September Look Fantastic box. Let's open it on up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Yes, so here it is. If you notice anything different, by the way, I went to the hairdressers yesterday and I got a balayage done. Not that you can tell, but I got a balayage. It went up quite high actually. I normally just get half of my hair done, but she went all the way up. I let her and she asked what toner that I want, and I was like, oh, let's go for something ashy. Me being dim-witted, thinking, oh, it's going to be like a cool tone silvery thing. Yeah, no, this is ashy. My hair looked dark brown again. I'm actually been missing the dark brown, don't get me wrong, but there's no way I'd go back to it because the maintenance and keeping on top of the greys. So this should get lighter over the next few washes. The camera I don't think is picking it up, but this is like a grey purple-ish kind of colour, and then the rest of it's like a warm brownie kind of thing. Yeah, I don't know if I like it, but we'll see when it washes out what I think. But anyway, back to the box. Let's open it up and have a sneak peek. Inside we have the edit booklet. It has information on all the products that are in here, which is fab. We have, what is that? A Gusto advertisement leaflet. Don't need that. But yeah, here is the box, all nice, neat and tidied. There is a sneak peek for you. If you are interested in getting this box, it is £17.50 per month. If you sign up for a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, it gets cheaper as you do that. I think the 12-month one works out at £13 per month, which is always good to save a bit of money. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. It'll get £5 off your first box, which is a nice little saving indeed. But let's get digging in here to see exactly what we've got. Just looking back at the edit booklet, it does have the name and the edit on here, and it says You're an Icon. So yeah, let's get started. First item we have is this. So this is by the brand Elemis. There's not really much information about this in the book, so we're just gonna read what is what on the actual packet. So these are Pro Collagen Hydra Gel Eye Masks. It just says eye mask for fine lines, anti-aging. Perfect. I love eye masks, especially when they're anti-aging. Defined by nature, led by science, these clinically proven hydrogel eye masks are formulated to instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, please. Eye contours are left smoother and feeling intensely moisturized. Fantastic. I love whacking eye masks on and just getting on with what I get on with on the night times, if I'm editing a video or if I'm cleaning or if I'm reading a book, and just forget about them. But yeah, really happy to get some Elemis ones to try. There's one pair in here. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Ren. Absolutely love this brand, so good. And this is Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. And have I had this before? I don't know. But it's by Ren, so it's gonna be awesome. All it says in the book here is if you tend to have dry, rough spots or flaking on your face, try this AHA toner. And if that doesn't work, try a thick cream. But yeah, love a good toner. Third product we have is this, and as you can see, it is a set. So this is by the brand Bleach London, and it is the Reincarnation Shampoo and Conditioner. I've literally just done a video on the Reincarnation mask. I haven't uploaded it yet, but it will be up soon, so keep your eyes peeled. So I'm really excited to get the shampoo and conditioner to try. And it just says, you'll be sure to restore life and brilliance to your hair with the Bleach London Reincarnation Shampoo and Conditioner in this box. The sunflower seed enriched formula deeply hydrates and replenishes the hair, offering the appearance of rejuvenated, flowing locks with an inevitable gloss. Why can't I talk? Oh my god. Yeah, can't wait to try these. Next item we have is this, and this is by the brand Disiple, and it's Dreamy Skin Retinol Night Oil. Ooh. Ultimate skin regeneration, reduces pigmentation, yes please, lines and pore size, deeply nourishing, de-stressing and radiance boosting. Gently massage 3 to 4 drops onto cleansed face and neck, AM and or PM. So what I normally do, I don't do oils in the morning. I always do oils. I always do oils on a night time. So yeah, that will definitely be getting used on a night time. Let's just give it a go. Just pop some there. Feels lovely and smells lovely. I definitely wouldn't be using that during the day, but definitely will on a night time. Too much glow for me, but yeah, that's gorgeous. Final item I have in the box is this. It was between 2 items that I could have got, and this is the CND Solar Oil Cuticle Oil for your nails. The other possible item that we could have got was by the brand Nail HQ London Cuticle Oil. So I kind of like the fact that they're both cuticle oil, so you're not really missing out on a certain product. I have used this lots of times before. I have a couple and it's really nice oil for your cuticles. So really happy to get a fresh one because I've had my other ones for maybe too long. I'm going to chuck them out and use the fresh one now. But yeah, really happy to get them. Let's just have a little go to show you. Yeah, just put it like that. And then massaging, and then you've got a nice healthy looking moisturized cuticle. So I totally forgot, so I'm quickly popping this in here just now. The sneak peeks for next month's box is on this, so you will get one of those. So by the brand Rituals, and you'll either get a candle or you'll get a fragrance, like a room scenty spray, perfume spray. But yeah, sneak peek. Guys, so this is the September Look Fantastic box. You are an icon edit. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is really good this month. So every month you get 6 items in your box. Yes, 2 of those items are like a little set, a shampoo and conditioner, but I am very happy to give up one of them items to make sure that I get a set, because I love having sets when it comes to my hair care. But yeah, elemis, to get something elemis in your box, awesome. Love elemis. Ren, super happy about, great brand. Like I say, I've recently just tried out the hair mask. That video will be up in a couple of days, so keep your eyes peeled. So I'll have to try this shampoo and conditioner and see what they're like. I've never heard of this brand before, but yeah, I will be using that oil at night time just to see what that is like. And I love this cuticle oil. So yeah, really happy with what I have gotten. What do you think? Comment down below. Are you subscribed to this box? Would you like to be? If you would like to be, then there's a link down below in the information box. Give it a click, it'll get you a £5 off your first box, which is a nice little saving. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.